this one?
Not today, Milo. Maybe next time.
Oh, okay.
Let's keep going, honey.
Milo, stay close to me.
Mom, I'm scared.
Milo, grab my hand, now.
Mama! Mama! Where are you? Mama! 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 Help! Help! Help!
What's wrong?
Ah!
What's this?
Look, Mom! Look!
Okay, I see. Let's go.
Mama! Mama! Please wake up!
Call an ambulance. Is she breathing?
Oh no!
Poor thing.
No! Mama! Mama! Mama, please! Mama, open your eyes! Your eyes!
Milo?
Oh, Milo.